ultraviolets.
Hi everybody, this is Kira Sanchez. Welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to my first ever vlog, first video. For today's video, I'm going to show you how to dye or bleach your hair. And I know that some of you are wondering why I'm here, because why not? Bakit naman hindi, diba? Yeah, I'm just so happy and I'm so proud to myself. I already redeemed that confidence of mine because back in day, when I was in grade school or high school, that's the time talaga na I'm so shy type of person. Like, I'm so afraid to speak up. I'm so afraid to share my opinions or ideas in class. Talagang hindi ako nagre-recite before. I'm just going to speak if they're going to ask me a question or you're going to approach me first. So that's me as a person before. But now, I changed a lot. But of course, change for the betterment of myself. And I know that I'm not just the only one who is struggling with this kind of issue or situation. It takes a long period of time talaga to be there, to boost that confidence of yours or redeem that confidence of yours. But what I can say lang is just trust yourself. Just always trust yourself. And of course, trust God, trust your process. And the piece of advice that I could give to all of you who is struggling with this kind of situation, just surround yourself with positive people. People will understand you the most and people will love you unconditionally without any kaplastikan and all, you know. And yeah, I have a lot of friends. No, I don't have a lot of friends, but I just have a list of friends. These friends will help you to boost that confidence and of course, uplift you to be that person you want to. And disclaimer lang guys, I'm not a professional hairstylist. I will just basing this tutorial or this video based on my research and of course based on my own experience, because this is not my first time bleaching or dyeing my hair. Actually, this is my fourth time bleaching my hair, because the first time I bleached my hair back in 2019, yeah, 2019, before pandemic. No, hindi. Vacation nun eh. Vacation, and I have much freedom, you know, to color or dye my hair. Hindi naman prohibited sa university namin before, but I'm not just capable of, or I'm not just confident to, you know, to wear that kind of color, which is the blonde one. And yeah, nung December 2019, nag-bleach na naman ako ng hair and go back to ash blonde. Kasi acquaintance naman before, so I just want to have a new look for that party or that occasion. And yeah, before you bleach your hair, make sure talaga na ibabad nyo yung hair nyo ng coconut oil, or don't wash your hair. Don't use shampoo or conditioner before bleaching or dyeing your hair. Kasi para, you know, to give that extra protection. Pag hindi mo shinampu or conditioner or hinugasan yung hair mo, parang lalabas yung natural oil sa hair mo or sa scalp mo. Para, you know, kahit na you will kill your hair, at least you will give extra protection, extra care, extra love to it, diba? So yeah, yun lang. And these are the things that you will need before bleaching and dyeing your hair. Okay guys, so the first step that we're going to do is just mix these two, the bleaching powder and the developer. So yung napili kong developer is 12%, which is 40 volume. For me, parang mas madali siyang ma-lift or mag-lighten compared to 9% para hindi na ako mag-re-bleach. So yung gusto kong i-achieve na level is 7 to 10 level, which is the highest or the lightest. Naihalo ko na yung bleaching powder and developer. Yeah, matapang yung amoy niya. Look. Oh my gosh. Oh my God. And yeah, yung ginawa ko lang for this one is 1:2. So before we apply this one, let's section our hair first. Everybody, so I'm back. So as you can see, nag-yellow na yung hair ko. So the second step that we're going to do is apply this one. Like, hi everybody! So, 45 minutes na nakalipas. Ito yung result ng pag-bleach natin. Oh my gosh, napaka-yellow na niya. Look at this one. I think level 7 na siya, which is yung target ko talaga na level. So, I'm happy with it. Like, look at that one. And yung gagamitin ko palang toner or conditioner is this one. So, ito siya. So, ito yung gagamitin kong toner kasi sabi dito is purple toning conditioner. So yeah, let's try this one. This is my first time using this. Try natin kapag matotone down niya yung pagka yellow niya, yellowish ng hair ko. I'm going to wash my hair lang guys and I'll be back. I'm back. So as you can see, my hair is color orange or yeah, yellow. Kung ginamit kong purple shampoo, hindi siya gumana. Hindi niya na-tone down yung brassiness ng hair ko. And as you can see, very healthy pa din yung hair ko. Kahit na na-bleach na siya ng 12% developer, but still, walang falling hair na nangyari. And I'm so happy for that. And yeah, so the next thing that I'm going to do is, I don't know if I'm going to re-bleach this, but let's see if I'm going to dye it or color my hair to my permanent color that I choose. As you can see, my hair is color orange right now, color browns, napaka-brassy niya, pero I don't care. Kahit na ganito yung color niya, yung kinalabasan niya, I'm going to continue to dye my hair. So I'm gonna use this bremod ash blonde 10.13, and of course oxidizer, which is 12% yung gagamitin ko ulit. So I hope maging maganda yung result compared to this one.
Every song and every wrong.
So, tapos na yung 25 minutes na nakababad yung hair ko, hair color sa buhok ko. So let's remove this one and I'm going to wash my hair. Oh my goodness. As you can see, sana nag-tone down yung pagka-brassy niya.
And every time I know the truth, speaking one way between me and you, and I'm fine on my own. So I wrote this song. darling, hush. And in my eyes I'll fall asleep. Your gracious touch is numbing me. My best dark suit I'll wear for free. Looking style.
Hi everyone, so this is the final look or the outcome of my hair transformation from black to blonde. So if you're going to ask me if I love it or like it, I super love it talaga. Hindi siya sobrang tingkad na blonde. It's neutral for me and para sa types of skin color, magko-complement siya to this kind of hair color. So yeah, and if you want this kind of color, just follow the process that I made. You will achieve this one. And this is the hair color that I want to achieve since before. Dadalian ko lang yung outro ko kasi nga maingay yung paligid ko right now. I just want you to know that thank you so much for watching and yeah, see you in my next vlog.